Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Thinkorswim notifications via TD Ameritrade easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the TD Ameritrade website. Log into your TD Ameritrade account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Thinkorswim platform. If you don't have the Thinkorswim platform installed, download and install it from the TD Ameritrade website. Open the Thinkorswim application on your computer. In the top menu bar, click on Market Watch. Select the Alerts tab from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create Alert button to set up a new notification. You will be prompted to specify the criteria for your alert. Choose the security for which you want to receive notifications. Set the conditions for your alert, such as price movements, volume changes, or technical indicators. Enter the price level or condition that will trigger the alert. Decide whether you want the alert to trigger once or to repeat. In the notification settings, choose how you would like to be notified via email, text message, or within the Thinkorswim platform. If you're opting for text notifications, ensure that your mobile number is verified in your account settings. Once all settings are configured, review your alert parameters. Click the Create button to finalize and activate your alert. You will now receive notifications based on the criteria you set. To manage or edit existing alerts, return to the Alerts tab in the Market Watch section. Here, you can modify or delete any alerts as necessary. Exit the Thinkorswim application once you're finished configuring your alerts. You are now set up to receive notifications through Thinkorswim via TD Ameritrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.